Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back, and for today's video, by the way, it's been a long time since I uploaded my last video, and now it has been a while, so I think it's time to update my vlog by inviting my nephews here. Your name is?
Nathan.
Nathan. Daniel, they are siblings, and
Ethan!
yes, okay, so
Small toy!
we're going to do this in English as much as we can, and of course, we have done this challenge before, the Chubby Bunny Challenge, but this time, since they have grown already, and these two are new to my channel, we're going to do it one more time with something like this. So we're going to use some marshmallows as props to make this happen and to make this possible. The general rule for this game is that whoever did not answer the question will eat one marshmallow and will say Chubby Bunny until, but if you are able to answer the question properly or right, then you don't have to eat a marshmallow. So it's my son Ragnar. Come. So this is my son. Yay! I already have a baby. Can you say hey, hey, Ragnar? Say hey, hey. Hey, hey. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. So if you did not answer the question properly, you're just gonna eat one mallows, and then we proceed to the next question until your mouth is filled with marshmallow and until you cannot hold it to your mouth anymore. And whoever spit any small part of marshmallow at any point of the game, he's out. Okay? Okay? So, whoever lasts without spitting or whatever or taking out the marshmallow, then that person wins. Alright, can you say open?
Open.
Open! Here it is. I'm going to give my baby so that he's not going to disturb us. Okay, so the first question will be for Kuya Daniel first, okay? Kuya Daniel, 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Good job. So that means you're not going to eat a mallow. I will give you a hard question later. Okay, now for these two. Question is, what is the Tagalog for kid?
Bata.
Bata. Okay, here's for you. And then you say Chubby Bunny. Okay, next for Daniel. 10 minus 9.
1.
Oh, good job! Next question for these two. What is the Tagalog for saliva? This one.
Laway.
Laway! Chubby Bunny for Nathan! Say Chubby Bunny!
Chubby Bunny.
What is the Tagalog of eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! Put it in your mouth and say Chubby Bunny. Okay. Hold it, When you take it out, you lose. Next, for these two. I will make it hard. What is the Tagalog of rainbow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da-dan! Bahaghari.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay. Here you go.
Chubby Bunny.
I can handle it. Okay. Okay, for Daniel, what is Ragnar's full name?
Ragnar Gray.
Full name.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here you go. What's Ragnar's full name?
Ragnar Gray Mamalo.
X.
Gray.
Oh, take this na. It's wrong agad. His full name is Franz Ragnar Gray Manalo. Okay. Now. Okay, bye Ragnar. 8 plus 2.
10.
Oh, good. No malos. For these two, Ragnar's full birthday.
November.
Okay, here you go. Yours.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Chubby Bunny.
Ano? Yak! Ay, saan mo ipilaway mo? Ew! Ano? Can you do it pa? Okay, okay. Okay? Okay? Oh, who's going to win? Daniel. Yeah, Daniel. My question is, how many cousins do you have?
All of them.
Yes.
Toy? Yaganai. And also Kuya.
Cousin. Okay, here you go.
Mike.
Mike. Chubby Bunny.
Everybody.
What is the Tagalog for, oh, ito, car? Kotse! Okay, so I think, look at our first contender. He surrendered. Okay, he's okay. Now we have two left here. Mom's full name.
Narita Koyal.
Nornita Coral. What is the full name of your mom?
Quran.
You're both wrong because they already are like married. So it should be Verana. And this one, Edlun. Okay, put it in. So it's like, for example, Ragnar will be asked, what's the name of your mom? Nori Grace Coral Manalo siya. What is Tita Ging's favorite color?
Green.
Okay, here you go. Go, Daniel. No, Ragnar. Okay, let's see. Just to be sure, Daniel is up. And the winner of our Chubby Bunny Challenge is, congratulations, Into. You won 10 crowns. Let's give him a A. Congratulations to Intoy. That ends our game. He won 10 crowns. And how about you, Nathan? What can you say about the experience?
Yummy.
Yummy! How did you feel? You did not win the game.
Happy.
Still happy. And how about you, Daniel?
It's like
It tastes like toot! How about the winner for today's challenge? What can you say? Do you want to shout out anyone?
No.
No. Oh, now that ends our video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the haggard days of my life and just trying to film. See you next time. I don't know when it is. Bye!